Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you something very interesting. Your lightning options about notifications on your Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. From the main screen we have to go to the settings, notifications, and then notification pop-up style. And here you can choose Edge lightning style and choose the one is the most interesting for you. For example, bubbles, and your notification will be like this. Heart, it will look like this. Fireworks, eclipse, echo, and spotlight. Yeah, and if you will find the one that you like and want to choose, you can change the color. Now it's auto, but you can click on a color. Here we have chosen spotlight, and we want it colorful, so we will choose this one. And advanced, you can change transparency from low to high, and duration from short to long. We will make it a little bit longer, and now it's done. So yeah, that's all. If you found this video helpful, I hope that you will visit our other videos from Galaxy A55 5G series on our channel, and let's see each other again in one of this video. Bye!